Hey, if you are wondering what kind of the charger you can use with your Google Pixel 9a, so first of all, if you want to reach the super fast charging, you have to use at least 25 watts power adapter, because this smartphone support up to 23 watts fast wired charging. And I'm actually using this one, really powerful, from Motorola, 125 watts. And if you have the same one, or maybe not that fast, like 65 watts or 100 watts, you can easily use it with your phone. It's not gonna damage your Pixel, it's gonna just limit power that comes from the power adapter into your phone, and it will still charging at maximum speed of 25 watts. Of course, you can use less powerful adapters like 15 watts or 10 watts. It's still gonna charge your phone, but it's not gonna be using the fast charging. You can also charge this phone by using only cable when you connect this into your PC or, for example, into your TV or any other device with power supply.